In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a template in LibreOffice Writer. If you want to save time and start with a document that already has a professional layout, using a template is one of the easiest ways to do it. Templates can help you quickly create things like letters, reports, resumes, or other formatted documents without having to build everything from scratch. To begin, open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. You can start from an existing Writer window or open the program fresh, whichever is most convenient for you. The important thing is that you're inside LibreOffice Writer and ready to access the template options from the top of the screen. Next, go to the top menu bar and click File. After that, move your cursor over New and then select Templates. This path opens the area where LibreOffice stores and organizes its available templates. If you're following along for the first time, take your time here so you can clearly see each menu option as it appears. Once you do that, the Template Manager will open. This is where you can browse the templates available in LibreOffice. The Template Manager is designed to make it easier to find a document style that matches what you need. Depending on your version of LibreOffice, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. From here, choose a category. Categories help group similar templates together. So this is a useful way to narrow down your choices instead of looking through everything at once. If you already know the kind of document you want to create, selecting the right category will make the process much faster. After choosing a category, select the template you want to use. You can click on a template to highlight it and review your choice before opening it. This is a good moment to make sure the design and structure fit the type of document you're trying to create. When you've found the template you want, click Open. LibreOffice Writer will create a new document based on that template. In other words, the template opens as a fresh file that you can edit right away. From here, simply customize the content the way you need. You can replace the placeholder text, adjust headings, change formatting if necessary, and make the document fit your specific purpose. And that's it. That's how to use a template in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple feature, but it can make document creation much faster and more polished, especially if you want a clean starting point without doing all the formatting yourself.